Okay, we have that same graph again, and our question says about how many students have brown eyes. So we're going to use these questions over here to help us. If you look here, 46% of the students have brown eyes. According to the graph, 46% of the students have brown eyes. 46% is close to what percent? So let's think of really easy numbers that we know how to work with. 46, if we round that up, rounds up to 50. So 46% is close to 50%. Number 2, what benchmark fraction is 46% close to? Benchmark fraction, I'm going to move this orange box for a hint. A benchmark fraction is something that we use all the time. So when we're talking about fractions, we typically talk about maybe 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, something like that that's used often. So 46% is close to 50%. We already know that from number 1. And 50% is 1/2 as a fraction. So the benchmark fraction this is close to would be 1/2. Number 3, we want to use the benchmark fraction to find out about how many students out of 500 have brown eyes. Write the number of students below. So if about half of them, remember 46% is close to a half, if about half of these students have brown eyes, we need to find out what half of 500 is. So you can do that by doing 500 divided by 2, and that'll give you your answer for number 3.